This is the view as I drive into the Manu Rainforest and our project community of Huacaria. I've been driving 7 hours. Whoa, and I'm about, I'd say 30 minutes away. And man, it's been a day. There's been a lot of traffic on the road, and it feels good to almost be there. So this is a day in the life of building clean water projects here in the Amazon rainforest, known to all of us as the Manu National Park, the most biologically diverse place on Earth. And from Cusco, we went up to 13,500 feet, and now I've dropped down into the lowland tropical rainforest, probably about 600 feet. Thanks for following. There'll be more to come in the days ahead. Bye from the Manu Rainforest of Peru.